But we've got something amazing going on this month. I have not posted it anywhere yet, but I will be posting it everywhere because it is that amazing. So all of you know that I'm a SeneGence distributor, or you probably should know because I think I tell everybody. But what is so amazing is we are fixing to head into the busiest part of our year, which is heading into the holiday season and that type of thing. I have tons of events scheduled, lots of activities that I can bring in some new distributors with me to train them in the business and help bring them up. So what is so spectacular that's going on right now that I wanted to tell you about? I don't even know where to begin. Okay, so the first thing is this month only, September, there is a free sign up. So that is remarkable. Our sign up is normally $55 to be a distributor, which is amazing in itself. It's a $55 annual fee. You pay it, you get to buy your products 20 to 50% off. Stinking amazing. Okay, anybody can rock a business that they can start with 55 bucks. The other thing that is amazing is that this month you don't have to pay 55. It's free. That's right, free. Sign up is free and you immediately start getting 20 to 50% off of your purchase. If that wasn't great enough, and this is the first time I've ever seen this, and I promise I can't see them doing this another time this year because like I said, we're fixing to head into our busiest season. If you sign up, not only do I hold your hand and help you to get your business started, but upon one of your first orders, and I can give you all the details, you can get a free collection of LipSense. And what you're gonna get is you would get the Love It, which I'm wearing today, and our Diamond Gloss, which has real diamond sparkles in it. How amazing is that? It's got crushed diamond. And you get the remover. Let me just show you a little bit about that. The color I have on today is just gorgeous. It's kind of a pinky pearl. Let me see if y'all can see this on my hand. Do you see that? Now, if those two things weren't amazing enough, that you get to sign up for free, and you could potentially get some free product, which I can totally help you with that. The next thing that is so amazing that I'm so excited about, we have been expanding throughout the U.S. expanding throughout the world the last year or so. We went into Canada, we went into Great Britain. We've got lots of other countries I can't even think of right now that I can start listing. I know we're going to go into China soon. But around November 15th, November 17th, we are having a grand opening in Monterrey, Mexico. Yes, can you say ground floor opportunity? Do you know someone who's bilingual? Do you have relatives in Mexico? Do you know someone who has relatives in Mexico? Yes, it's that amazing. If any of you know anything about direct sales, this is one of the best opportunities out there, okay? First of all, we have one of the best commission plans. So for those of you that don't know how direct sales work, first of all, direct sales, you get to work your own stinking schedule. That's what I like. You get to work whenever you want to, okay? And I make 50% on my sales. Every time I buy a product, I place an order large enough that I get 50% off. So I get 50% on every time I make a sale to a customer, okay? The other way that I make money is through ladies that I help start their own business, okay? I'm gonna come out there and I'm gonna help you. It's to my advantage to help you start your business, right? So I get a commission check, doesn't come out of your pocket. It's just kind of a thank you check from SeneGence for helping you start your business. Okay, why am I telling you this? Because I want you to see the opportunity. We still have tons of opportunity here in the US. Most of the companies that are large would have like 12 million distributors here in the US. We are nowhere close to that, nowhere close to that. And now we're opening up a new market in Mexico. And when we open up a new market, I just have to tell you, it explodes. If you have tried our products, you love them. They are amazing and they do exactly what they say. Many women are sick of trying products that they buy at the store with no help at all that don't work, right? We all have that graveyard drawer, products don't work. That's not the case with SeneGence. We provide, Joni actually says she wanted to provide a real opportunity for women with real products that work. So if you have ever considered doing this, this is the month that you need to sign up. If you decided to, you want to make a little extra income, have a little business on the side, this is it. If you got a little entrepreneurial spirit, this is it. If you are not like me, that is fine. You do you. I'll do me. We've got ladies that are introverts that are very successful in this business. So you manage it the way you want to. Don't want to get on Facebook Live? That's fine. This business started face-to-face, belly-to-belly, dining room table to dining, speaking over the table. So lots of women are very successful that way. I can tell you, if I have my stripes on, which y'all normally see, and I'm carrying my Wow bag, which has some lipstick in it, then I am going to have customers. So as an added bonus, a couple of things that I'm going to do. I think I have 2 lip kits. So if you become a distributor this month and you place a 300 PV order, which I can tell you what that looks like, then I'm going to give you a lips kit, which is valued at $75. I think I only have 2, maybe 3. So don't delay if that's something that you want. I always give my ladies a little travel packet also so that they can test on the go, all right? And I can definitely help you get your business started. So if this is something that you're interested in, ladies, don't delay. Okay, finally, there was the Love It that I was going to help you get free. Remember, it's just a 100 PV order. Girl, if you sell 2 lipstick collections, you got a 100 PV order. So there's that, and then here's the diamond gloss. Are y'all ready? It's amazing. Okay, let me get up here so you can see. Can y'all see that sparkle? See that? Ooh, I see here y'all all in the background. Ooh, it is amazing. All right, so call me, text me, message me, Facebook me, whatever you can do, and let me know that you're interested, and I'll give you more details. Hope y'all have a blessed Labor Day weekend. Thank you.